Ever been tripped up by a long dress or stumbled over lengthy pants? A quick hemming job can save the day, and the good news is that you can do it yourself, right at home. Today, the focus is on 5 straightforward steps to hem pants or a dress. No need for a professional tailor when you have the right knowledge and a little bit of time. Firstly, gather your tools. You'll need a sewing machine or hand sewing needle, thread that matches your clothing, a seam ripper, a measuring tape, and straight pins. Secondly, prepare your garment. Using your seam ripper, carefully remove the existing hem. If you're working with a new garment, this step isn't necessary. Now, on to the third step, measuring. Put on the pants or dress and fold up the bottom to your desired length. Use straight pins to hold this fold in place and then remove the garment. Measure the distance from the fold to the edge of the fabric. This is your new hemline. Fourthly, it's time to sew. Using your sewing machine or hand sewing needle, stitch along the pinned line. Be sure to remove each pin as you come to it. We don't want any sewing machine casualties. Finally, finish up by trimming any excess fabric, leaving about 1/4 inch after the stitch line. Then, iron the hem to make it lay flat and look professional. So there you have it, 5 easy steps to hem pants or a dress. Gathering your tools, preparing your garment, measuring, sewing, and finishing up. Remember, practice makes perfect. The first time might be a bit tricky, but don't let that discourage you. Soon you'll be hemming like a pro, saving time, money, and potentially a few trips and falls. In the world of DIY, the power is in your hands. So go on, pick up that needle and thread and start exploring what you can do. You might just surprise yourself. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and above all, keep enjoying the art of DIY.